What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. I know y'all been hearing through the grapevine that Family Dollar has a lot of clearance going on their laundry items. So y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I had to tap in. The only part about it was I had to play detective in my store because it was not tagged at all, y'all, not tagged whatsoever. So that's why I did not even take y'all with me. But I did bring the deals to you, the ones that I found anyway. And I got some goodies. We got coupons. We got one Ibotta deal to get some money back on some clearance. So I know y'all want to stay tuned and find out what's going on. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these hot clearance laundry items. And first off, I will be showing y'all what I had coupons on and all of that stuff. So let's just get into the video. Okay, y'all, here is the first items I wanted to show y'all, starting off with the Purex. It's the Odor Stop Oxy 85 loads, 4-in-1. Take a good look, or if you are in store, you can always refer back to this video for clearance visuals. But anyway, this Purex was $9.70. We have $1.50 coming off, making it $8.20. Your store could be cheaper. Who knows? The only thing I'm saying is go check it out. Then you want to submit your receipt to Ibotta for the any grocery store, and you will get another $1.50 back, making it only $6.70. Some of these prices is so good, y'all, and especially if you are trying to build a stockpile, now is your chance, your big break to go get some laundry items for the low. Then we have these Paradise Downy Unstoppable beads. They are 13.4 ounce and they are lime green, so you cannot miss them. Very distinct color. And they were $7.75. We have a $2 coupon coming off, making them $5.75. And not to mention, in some of your apps, you probably have a spend 20, get $5 off P&G items. And some of these clearance items are attaching to that coupon. And I did get my $5 off. Let me show y'all the receipt real fast. Here is, well, if it'll focus, but where I put the star at is the smart coupon for my $5 off. So basically, it took $5 off one item, or the total, however you want to look at it. I got the $5 off. Now let's get into these other clearance deals, and I have some more items with coupons as well. So let's take a look at those. Okay, y'all, here is the next set of items we got here. Starting off with this Gain Odor Defense, and it's the Super Fresh Blast. It is 46 loads. It was on clearance for $4.90. We have $1 coming off, making it $3.90. The regular price on this was $6. Moving on to the Downy April Fresh beads, they were $3.60. Regular price $5.80. Then we got the Downy Light, and it's a very distinctive bottle as well. It has the orange labeling and an orange at the bottom. 7.8 ounce. It was $4.60. Regular price $7.40. Then I have some Downy Calm fabric softener, and it is the 38 ounce. It was $4.60. Regular price $7.40. So that is not it, y'all. Let's get into these last couple of items. And like I said, y'all, it could be more items that was in my store. Nothing was tagged, so I had to fill up a cart, go to the cash register, have him ring the items up to let me know the prices, run back, put those back, and then all of this, y'all. So it was a mess. But like I said, your store could be tagged, or it's more. I know there's more items out there. I just don't have them all, but I am showing you what I have, so y'all would know what to look for before everything gets snatched up. Okay, y'all, here are my last items I got from the Family Dollar store. Starting off with the Gain Happy dryer sheets. They are on clearance for $6.50. Regular price was $10.50. And they have the single one of these for like $3, I think. In my store, they were still ranking up six something dollars. So I was like, no, I'd rather get these for $6.50 than paying six something for one box. But like I said, your store probably's marked, and y'all will know what is on clearance. Okay, I got these Gain Flings Super Fresh Blast, and it's the 24 count. They were $6.70, regular price $8.20. Then on the Tide Pods, they are the Tide White, and it's white all around, and it says it right here at the bottom, and it's 18 extra large pods in there. They were $6.90, original price $11.10, and the liquid for these pods is also on clearance. I just didn't get it. Was on a budget, y'all. Not gonna lie. So be looking out for the liquid or these pods. Then on the Gain Original, it is the 65 ounce. It was $6.70, regular price $8.20. Then on this Gain Fabric Softener, 72 ounce, and it's original as well, $6.70, and it was $8.20. And like I said, these items qualify for the 5 off of 20 coupon. And I know these Happy products, all the Happy products are on clearance, y'all. So if y'all have it's another coupon in the Family Dollar app. I don't have that one, but on these specific items, the Happy and then the Purple Relax, they have where if you spend 20 as well, you save $5. And plus, don't forget, Saturday we have a 10 off a $30 coupon going on. So this will pair well with these laundry items on clearance. So if you want to wait till Saturday, be my guest. But I know some of these items will be snatched up. And I think the Family Dollar dryer sheets are also on clearance. Some of them are as low as like 25 cents and 85 cents, stuff like that. And they also have the Homeline Family Dollar bleach that is on clearance for like 70 cents, some of them. I couldn't find them, unfortunately, and we probably did have some on clearance, y'all, but like I said, I had to play detective in my own store and find out what the clearance prices was. And I'm gonna put a bonus video towards the end. It was a video I filmed yesterday with Walmart clearance items that I wanted y'all to see as well. So stay tuned for after this video, and I'm gonna just put that little bonus video towards the end. So if you don't want to watch it and see some Walmart clearance items, that's fine. If y'all just came for the Family Dollar clearance, that's fine as well. But like I said, stay tuned because we will be looking at a bonus video with Walmart clearance items. Okay, y'all, I got some Walmart clearance items and I will be showing y'all and telling y'all the prices on these clearance items. It's not going to be a long video, but it is going to be an informative video. In case you stop by Walmart, you will know what to look for if you are looking for clearance items. We're going to start off with the Walmart brand liquid hand soap. And it's the 50 ounce. It was $1.50 on clearance. Then these are not marked. It's the Arm & Hammer 43 lows. They was $3 and what, 84 cents. Yeah, $3.84 clean burst. Then we got the Gain Relax, and it's all of the gains that are this size. Basically the 88 ounce ones, they marked these down to $8.94. Then I got these Downy beads, 24.5 ounces. These was $8. And these other ones, they are 13 ounces. They were $2.50. Cannot beat that. And the ones up underneath them, which was the 4 ounce ones, was $2. So I decided to get the ones for $2.50. Now we got the Safeguard. Dang, it just popped open. But it is Skin Zen hand wash. Y'all, this one, the what is this? The vanilla and cashmere smells so freaking good, and these were $2 on clearance. And don't mind my hands, y'all. I've been painting my star banister in my house. And then the other one I got is, what's this, lavender and sandalwood. I haven't smelled those, but that one right there, and it was the last one. Okay, I got this cocoa cane oil to milk cleanser, $1. Then these Lumi whole body deodorants was $2, and these was $14.97, y'all. They said these are good deodorants. I don't know. Then I got this Curry or something deodorant and body spray, warm vanilla, and it was $1. Then they had these Summer Eve Share floral sprays, $2. Then these Mega Baby Blade bars, a shaving bar with shea butter, they were $1. Now let's look at some more clearance items. And don't forget, this is at Walmart. Okay, y'all, here are my other items. Okay, starting off with the Black Opal. It is some finishing powder. It was $1. It was $8. And I said I'm going to try this out. Then they got the Heritage Overnight Scalp Relief Mist. It was $1. It says it was $9.94. This little bottle, y'all, yes, almost $10. Then Comfy Cream. It's like for like your private area, I guess, after you shave, and it was $1, and it says it was $14.86. Then we got some bubble products, and well, if you're not familiar with bubble products, they are face products, y'all, and they are very expensive. So say like this, it is moisturizer, and it was $4 on clearance. Regular price was $18.97. Then something, the gentle exfoliating serum called Moonwalk, and it says it's on clearance for $2.25, but it's not showing the original price. But I know this was expensive as well. Then this was $5 on clearance, and it says it was $12.97, and it's Bubble Magic Melt. Then we got some Vaseline sticks. I don't really know what these is for, y'all. Probably for like elbows and knees or something. But it says they're like travel things that you can take on the go. But whatever it is, it was $1, and these was $6.87. Then I found some of these Dove deodorants, the Spice Chai Latte. They were $1. They was $6.97. And then we got the Radiant Vaseline hand butter. It was $1, and this was $5.98. So that's some of the stuff, and y'all probably got like one more bag of items to show y'all from Walmart. Okay, y'all, here are the last of the Walmart clearance items. I have found some underwear, y'all. They are kindly yours. They was $3. Regular price was $13.47. And I don't know if they have other sizes on clearance as well, because I just seen this one pack. So I was like, let me snatch it up, even though they might be a little big, but I'll make it do what it gotta do for $3. Then I got this Pink Horizon hand soap. It was $2. So I really just saved 94 cents, because it says it was $2.94. This Suave hand wash was not on clearance, but it was like $1.97 cocoa butter. And anything cocoa butter, shea, vanilla smells so good, so I had to pick it up. And as you can see, they have new packaging. Then I got this Dr. Teal sleep lotion. It was $1. Normal price was $5.87. And when you take Epsom salt baths and use this stuff, y'all, you will be relaxed and out like a light. Try this out. But y'all, that is the end of the Walmart clearance. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.